What's up, folks? This is Wesley Billion Dollar Virgin with another video. I'm going to show you in this video how to make money online with Google. No website is needed, no money is needed, and I'm going to show you right here on YouTube how to do it for free. Is that cool? Now understand this. When you get ready to start making money online, it's only one thing that you need in the beginning. You need a product. Okay, you either go to clickbank.com. Please write that down. Clickbank.com. This was the first site that I used to make my first $1 million on the computer. Okay, for 7 years I struggled. Why? Because I'm a slow learner, right? And if you're slow just like me, it is still hope for you as well. Okay, clickbank.com is an affiliate platform website that allows you to basically promote products online. Now, I know what you're thinking, but don't I need a website? You don't need no website at all. Okay, you need nothing. All you need to do is pay close attention to what I'm about to tell you. Another website is Digistore. Okay, and this is the account that I logged in. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk you step by step through the process of promoting a product. Okay, so with ClickBank, that's all you do. When you log in, you create a free account. Okay, depending on your country. If you're international, you need to use Digistore 24. Okay, I'm gonna show you both. Now, once you log into here, I'm gonna log into one of my accounts here. I'm gonna be very transparent, okay? Because I want you guys to see the money. Let's go! Right? So check it out. So look here. This is one of my accounts here. It's a small account. I'm not making a lot of money. 2,000 here, 500 here, right? Who cares? Listen, you go to Marketplace, okay? And once you go to Marketplace, what you do is you hit that magnifying glass right here. Why? Because you only want to promote, listen please, you only want to promote products that are doing well, okay? You see these products right here? They're doing well. Gravity means that 690 people have made money in the past 12 weeks. We got proven biggest blockbuster, Left Tail Connect. So all these products I would promote, okay? I would choose one and I would start promoting. Is everybody with me so far, okay? And same thing with Digistore, okay? I know you guys hear that cash register. Well, that's going to happen to you one day. Baby, can you hear my phone? So the thing is, make sure when you start making money, configure it on your phone. So every time you make a sale, see that? I don't know if you guys can see that there. Sales, baby, sales. Now, check it out. You go to Marketplace, okay? And you want to promote a product that's on the first page of Digistore, okay? Now, I know what your question is. Well, Wesley, how do we promote a product if I don't have no website, no skills, right? I don't know what I'm doing here. And can you do it? Yes. Watch this. Now, pay close attention. Many people don't expose this information. They charge you for this. And listen, there's a lot of training programs out there. I have a training program as well, right in the description below. But listen, you don't have to click it. You don't have to get it. Just pay attention to this video, okay? So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you right now how to promote this product. This is my product. As you can see, it is number 4 on the network. We make about $5,000 to $10,000 a day. And I have affiliates. They make about $500 to $1,000 a day. So what I'm going to show you right now, step by step, how to do it. First step, you got to get yourself an affiliate account. Just register now. Get yourself an account. It's free. Okay? That's step 1. Are you with me? Comment the word in the description below in the comment section. Let's go! Okay. Step 2, you have to hit the word promote now. Okay? Which means is, let me log into an account here. This is one of my accounts. This is a live account. And I appreciate you guys smashing the like button because I want to be very transparent with you right now, okay? Marketplace, and you scroll down. Keep watching here, okay? You see that? That's your affiliate link. Now, listen. This is where you're going to make the money. I want you to comment in the comment section below. This is how we make the money, okay? I want you to comment, make money now, not tomorrow. Okay, not in 24 hours, right now, using this strategy here, okay? Now listen, now I know you're loving this right now, but check this out. So I'll take this, you copy that, because that's going to be the link that you're going to use to make money. So your question is this. Okay, Wesley, I have the link, and let me show you how it looks. Okay, it's going to go to this page right here. Okay, this is young lady right here. I helped her in her 20s make $1 million. Okay, it took less than 6 months, and basically I share with her exactly what I'm sharing with you. And if you want to register in this course, she teaches you how to do it. As a matter of fact, she does it for you, which is insane. But right now, that's what you're going to promote. Now the question is this, Wesley, how do I get people, right, to go to this website here? Okay, does that make sense? This is easy. Check it out. So this is what you do. Now smash the like button, because I'm gonna give you access to something that I use right now every single day, and I make about $500 to $1,000 a day, and that's this site right here, Core. Okay, all right, it's powerful. Let me tell you why. This is what I do. I type in affiliate marketing. Okay, affiliate marketing here. Like, what is affiliate marketing? How can I start affiliate marketing? So the thing is, all these people, millions of people, come to this website. This is a gold mine, by the way. Smash the like button if you're feeling this. This is a gold mine. If you have no money, no skills, and all you do is have an affiliate link, this is where you want to go. Now listen. Now this is very important, so watch exactly what I'm about to show you. Right here, how can I start an affiliate marketing program? Now understand this. This product right here that you're going to promote, this is your link. This is how you get paid. They will pay you every 7 days, okay? Make sense? What you want to do is this. You want to click on the button here, okay? And all you want to do is answer the people's question here, okay? That's it, okay? Now, what do I mean by answer their question? So what is affiliate marketing, right? You can share exactly what affiliate marketing is. And then what you do is you don't leave your link. This is what people screw up. If you do this and hit add comment, they're going to ban you. Don't do that. Okay? Then this is the tricks of the trade. What you do is this. You go to youtube.com. Okay? You take your iPhone first. This is what I do every day. Okay? And I jump on here. I record a video and say, hey, this is Wesley, $1 billion Virgin, and I have something cool for you that works. I know it works, and I'm going to show you how to make money online, basically with no website, with nothing. In the link below, check it out. It's a free training. Let's go. Boom, that video is done. You take that video that you just recorded, not me, you upload it, right? And after you upload the video, then guess what? You come back here and you comment the link in the video. That's it. And then look, the title of the video can be this. How can I start affiliate marketing? Now see, this is the trick of the trade here. Then what you do is you create a video that's called How Can I Start Affiliate Marketing, right? And all you do is you do a quick video about affiliate marketing based off of this information. And at the end of it, you leave your link, which is your affiliate link, under the video. Does that make sense? Give me a like and share button. Did that make sense to you? Did that make sense? Of course it did. Hold up. For everybody that's slow, like I was too, check it out. Let me go back again. Remember, you get your affiliate link from digistore24.com. Okay, I'm going to help you because it's my personal product, okay? See, I'm making money right now. You see that? The money keeps coming in. This is going to happen to you too, but you have to follow exactly what I'm giving you right here, okay? Look, scroll down. You're going to click the word promote now. You got to log in, right? I'm trying to show you how to get rich here, okay? Done for you services, right? That's the product that you want to promote. Why? Because it converts very well. I'm making $10,000 a day off it, and I'm using this same method, okay? I'm not running any ads, and we're making that amount of money using this product here, okay? And then I copy my affiliate link. Understand this. What is an affiliate link? The affiliate link is going to take you from your 9-to-5 job so you can run on the beaches butt naked on Bora Bora, okay? That affiliate link is what's going to pay you. Digital Store is going to pay you every week as the sales start to come in. You take that link, okay? Then you go to the site that I share with you, the Quora site here, okay? Because people every day, they ask questions. Watch this. Write this down, by the way. How to make money online. Okay? Look at that. Look at so many people are leaving comments. Look, this is called real estate for you to basically create a video, right? It could be a short video. As a matter of fact, if you wait to the very end of this video, I'm going to give you a video. Okay? You like that? I'm going to give you a video that you can use to basically post under these comments here, right? And you can put your affiliate link and get paid for it. So I'm going to do the work for you. Now, can I get a love or a like? Let's go. That's easy. It's simple. Listen, if you wait to the very end of the video, I'm going to give you the video that you can use that if someone searches how to make money online, okay, or how to make money, whatever, right? And all you do is you answer the question here, okay? You go here, okay? Are you guys with me so far? Scroll down. And here's how to make money online. I do this all the time, all day. I make about 500 bucks a day doing this. How to make money? Here you go. Watch the video. Watch the free video. Watch the free video. And then you link them to the video. So the thing is, I'm going to give you the video. Now listen, I'm going to give you a video, okay, in the description below. Hit the like and love button, and that video is yours. I'm going to give you the video. You're going to click on the document. You're going to download that video, okay? Then you're going to go to YouTube, create a YouTube channel, and you're going to upload. Look, you just see, look at this. You upload the video right to YouTube, and then once you publish it to YouTube, make sure, let me show you here. I'm going to show you live here. I want to be very transparent with you because I know you guys love me right now, right? Because no one is giving this type of value. I swear to God. Look at this. Go to videos here. I want you to show you what I do, okay? So all these videos, you take your video that I'm going to give you, you upload it here, and you make sure in your description, you put your affiliate link right here. Boom. You see that? Want to make a lot of money? Go here. Want to make your first 1K per day? Go here. And that's exactly what we teach here. Or want to make your first 1K per day easily? Go here. This is what you do, okay? Are you with me? This is what you're going to do. You're going to take the video I'm going to give you. You're going to upload it, and you're going to leverage my video to upload to YouTube. And then you take that video and you just put it here in the comments on Quora, okay? Does that make sense? Listen, tell me if I deserve a like and a share right now. Like and share this video if that made perfect sense. You keep doing that over and over and over and over again. And as people, because this is how people work, because this is how you work. When you give people value, okay, then they will buy from you, okay? So the thing is, it's called a bridge page. So you don't want to put your link here on Quora, right? What you want to do is place your video that answers their question. See, no one is doing that because they're not smart people, unfortunately. We love them, but they're just not smart. And they're not making money because they're trying to put their links immediately and they're going to get banned. What you do is, as a smart marketer, as a beginner marketer, okay? Because I'm going to show you how to leave your 9-to-5 job in 30 days right now, okay? You're going to just take the video I'm going to give you and you just give value. You post the video and say, hey, check out the video. It answers your question right here for free. Once they go to YouTube, they watch your video. In your description, you put a link, which is your affiliate link. You keep doing this. I do this. And look at my account. Let me show you another account here. Hold on. Look at this. This is what I do every day, all day. If you're with me right now, I want you to comment right now. Let's go! Let's go! Come in, let's go right now. If you're going to do this, look, this is easy for a beginner. No money, no website, right? Smash the like button. Let me know what country you're calling from so I'll make sure I always hook you up, okay? Because I want to make sure that everybody here is making money from minimum effort as humanly possible here, okay? Look at that. 233, 400 bucks, $1,000 here. This is another account because me personally, I use a lot of organic. Organic means free methods to make money and to have the lifestyle that I have here today. And guess what? You can do it. If you believe in yourself that you can do this right now, okay, I want you to like this video. I want you to sub to it. I want you to share it. And in the comments below, I want you to comment, let's go, okay? And in the description, I want you to take that video that I just did for you. The name of that video is going to be short. It don't have to be long. It's a short video, okay? And you're going to see, when you watch that video, you're going to see exactly what I'm doing to get people to basically go into the description and basically get the full training. Once they fought the full training, listen, we have over 200 testimonies of people that have joined this right here. Let me show you here. Over 200 people, plus people, okay, are earning $5,000 to $10,000 a month based off this young lady that was a newbie just like you. I taught her, and I taught her little dog Choopy, okay, and now she's making $100,000 per month. Why? Because she's paying attention, she's taking action, and she's relentless. If you're like that, you want to go through the same process as well, and you want to take other people with your affiliate link to go through that process simultaneously. Are you with me? So that's it, guys. And listen, always remember, if you want the full training and you want me to do anything for you for free, okay, kind of show you how to do this, my YouTube channel is Wesley Virgin. Go ahead and smash the sub button. And listen, I know what you guys thinking, this is hard. It is not. Watch the video again. Listen, repetition is the mother of skill. You keep going through the process and it will click. And then one day you will make tons of money online. Listen, I failed for 7 years. I've lost my home. I've lost cars, right? I've been in jail a few times and I still made it. I didn't graduate from college here. I wasn't a smart kid. I had low self-esteem and I still made $1 million. And guess what? You can do it too. Okay? If you like the video, hit the like button. Please share it out to other people. But remember, in the description, I'm going to leave the video that you need to use that I'm going to record for you. So please make a contribution to me. Smash the like button in the comment section. Comment, Wesley, give me that video. And that video, I will comment under your link with the video. But you have to comment, Wesley, give me the video that you're going to use to put on the Quora website here, right? Basically just giving value. They're going to watch it, and from that video they're going to go to the description, they're going to click on your affiliate link, and this can happen every single day. I know people right now, they leave about 100 different comments every single day and they make 500 bucks a day. So imagine if you would just do it right now. Go to digistore.com, right? Go to digistore.com, create your free account. Go to Downview Services Affiliate Marketing here. It's a hot offer. We pay 50%. It's 500 bucks per sale. Promote now, and let me do all the work for you. Is that okay? Right? Let me do all the work for you. Hey, if I deserve a share and a like, go ahead and smash that like button. This is Wesley Billion Dollar Virgin. Let's go.